Hey guys, I wanted to share with you a trade that happened on Wednesday. So this trade was with 5E Minis. It was also with the copy trader. So 5E Minis was on the personal account, and then I had the 20 accounts, each with 1 E-mini. So in total, that's 25 contracts. On the right, you'll see just my personal account. That's what the P&L is. That's not including the copy traded accounts, the 20 copy trade accounts. Just because my camera just isn't the recording just isn't set up to have uh, all the copy trades uh, recorded as well. Looking at the trade though, I want to go over why we took this and why it's a good trade. Starting out, look at the bars today. It's been a bear trend, right? It's the market's going down. When you have the market going in one direction, you really want to just focus on trading in that direction. You want to forget trying to trying to find reasons to take the opposite trade. So the market was down, and then looking closer to the trade we have, and by the way, I've recorded this video without any audio, and then I'm speaking over this video. So um, I'm just playing the video, watching it, and then I'm explaining to you guys what's happening in the video. So on the bar where we took the trade, that was following a double top. You can see those the first bar that got above the moving average, that strong bull bar, and then there was a bit of a pullback, and then we had a second attempt up by the bulls, which created that double top right above the moving average. So it's a double top in a bear trend, and we want to be trying to sell below bear bars after double tops in bear trends. All right, I mean that's what you want to be looking for. That's the kind of setup that's going to be really good for you. It's going to be good for beginners. It's going to be good for advanced traders. I think especially for beginners, you really should just focus on identifying the trend and trying to figure out how to get in with the trend. So a point I had made in the live stream today was with the indicators like RSI or stochastics. So if you had traded today and you had RSI up, that RSI would have been sold. That would have showed as oversold the entire day. It would have been giving you readings that, what a lot of people teach is when the RSI goes oversold, it's time to start looking to buy. And I mean, that's completely wrong, because if you actually watch the charts, if you're actually sitting here watching what happens when the market's going down, uh, the RSI is oversold and it stays oversold. When the RSI gets oversold, typically it gets more oversold. All right, so you don't need RSI or stochastics on your chart. That's just going to get you mixed up. You can look at the bars. The market's going down. Moving average is pointing down. Bulls are not making money, and bears are. That's telling you where the market's going. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, be looking for where the market's going, and then spend your time trying to find reasons to get into the trade and try to find setups to get into that direction. Especially for beginners, don't spend any time trying to figure out how to reverse the market, how to try to do mean reversal. You'll see me do scalps sometimes, and when I do those, I do explain why I'm taking them. Really, you do need more time and experience, and you really need to study the charts really when you want to start taking limit orders like that against a trend. That's really more advanced, and if you want to learn that, like I said, watch the live streams, join the Discord, right? You can ask those questions with me in Discord. We can have more of a personalized conversation. We can do one-on-one sessions in the Discord, and the Discord will be in the It'll be linked in the description of this video. So if you're interested in getting advanced enough to do that, right, just reach out, join the Discord, and we can work on that. But for all beginners and all advanced traders, the best thing to do is to be just trading in the direction of the trend. It's going to be the most consistent way to make money. That's what I've seen, and it's proven. It's been proven to me time and time again. It's just, if you want to take that next step, that's how you need to be looking at the market. Going back to this trade on what else I was seeing right around there. So like I said, we had the double top and then a good looking bear bar, right? It opened with it opened and basically went straight down. There was no tail on top. Also, it closed basically on its low. So there were no bulls buying in the last couple seconds of the bar, and there were no, the bears weren't taking profits in the last couple seconds of the bar. They were eager to sell from the start, and they were eager to sell till the end. That's a sign of strength. Targets below is the lowest close in the trend. So basically where my limit order is to take profits, that's where the lowest close in the trend is. And the market, after it's been trending so strongly, it's going to want to try to get below that level. The market's going to want to try to test too far, right? It's always kind of probing back and forth, trying to figure out what's the right price, what's too far. And so once you see the pullback and the double top in the bear trend, then the market's going to want to try to test down. And you see the market is coming down here, and there it bounced off my limit order. And the video is going to skip ahead here just because I wanted to reduce the time of the video. But the 20 the 20 copy trades got out, and then also the 5 E minis got out.